Africa, Africa in diaspora, including the White House, has been waiting for this moment to hear the message from the Commander-in-Chief, Julius Silo Malema, Comrade President.
Viva EFF, viva! Data EFF, data! Data EFF, data!